Welcome to this beginner's guide on how to read the Bible. Whether you're exploring Christianity for the first time or looking to deepen your faith, this guide will provide you with practical steps and tips to help you get started. Choose the right Bible. There are many different versions of the Bible, so choose one that is easy to understand. Here are a few recommendations: New International Version, English Standard Version, and New Living Translation. Tip: visit a local bookstore or use an online Bible app to compare translations and see which one resonates with you. Set a purpose for reading. Before you start, determine why you want to read the Bible. Some common reasons include seeking spiritual growth, understanding Christian teachings, and finding comfort and guidance. Start with a plan. Starting with a structured plan can help you stay focused and motivated. Here are some options. Read the Gospels first. Begin with the New Testament Gospels, Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, to learn about the life and teachings of Jesus. Thematic plans. Follow a plan based on specific themes like love, faith, or forgiveness. Chronological plan. Read the Bible in the order events occurred. Tip: Bible apps like YouVersion offer numerous reading plans tailored to various interests and time frames. Consistency is key to developing a habit. Dedicate a specific time each day to read the Bible, whether it's in the morning, during lunch, or before bed. Before you begin reading, take a moment to pray and ask God for understanding and insight. This can help you connect more deeply with the text. As you read, take notes on passages that stand out to you. Write down questions, thoughts, and reflections in a journal. This will help you process and remember what you read. And don't forget to highlight or underline verses that speak to you and write their references in the margins for easy access later. There are many resources available to help you understand the Bible better. Study Bibles, for instance, include explanations, context, and notes right alongside the text. Then there are commentaries, which can be books or online resources that provide detailed explanations of biblical passages. And don't forget about Bible dictionaries. These can help you understand the meaning of specific words and terms. Consider joining a Bible study group or class. Discussing the Bible with others can provide new insights and foster a sense of community. Understanding the Bible can take time, so be patient with yourself. If you find certain parts difficult, don't be discouraged. Keep reading, studying, and seeking understanding. The ultimate goal of reading the Bible is to apply its teachings to your life. Reflect on how the passages you read can influence your actions, decisions, and relationships. Reading the Bible is a journey that can deeply enrich your spiritual life. Start with a translation that you find accessible, set a purpose, and follow a plan that works for you. Remember to pray, take notes, use study aids, and discuss with others. Most importantly, be patient and apply the wisdom you gain to your daily life. Happy reading!